What's up friends, here's another tutorial video and you are welcome to my channel. So what I'm going to show you guys in this video is how you can build a forex trading website. Yes, you heard that right. And not only that, in this project also you can also have your NFT and your normal investment plan. So right away, won't be explaining much about the site because I already done that in my other tutorial video and it's on my channel, so you can check that out when we did the preview of this project. So right in this project, what we'll be doing is just the developmental aspect. Yes, so quickly let's just glance through. So this is the project we're about to do, so stay tuned while we get this done. I bet you're gonna love watching this to the end and ensure you're attaining that. And not only that, try to get the script from me. Yes, try to get it from me, and you already have my tutorial video, so you just get the script and you watch the video and do your own development. So simple as that. And at the same time, do not forget to subscribe to this channel because this channel is going to be dropping a lot of fantastic projects as time goes on and out on the long run. So God bless you as we continue. So quickly, what we're going to do right here, we just want to log in. Hopefully remember the last login we used, but if we don't, we're going to create an account. So let's just enter something right here. Okay, let's try this. Okay, successful, we logged in. It's loading up. Yeah, so this is this guy's account. So right in this account there's no money in it. I get me. So we'll just quickly do only a deposit. We'll do trade, we'll log in as an admin, and after that we'll start the developmental aspect. So quickly, let's just check this. So this guy he's having a zero account. It's kind of like broke, like not really broke, he just started, forgive me for that. He's not really broke, so he just opened this account newly and there is nothing much in it. So pretty much let's make this shall we? Okay, without any much time waiting, we've already done a lot of tutorial, not actually a lot of tutorial, we've done tutorial on the preview of this project. So let's just quickly move straight to the developmental aspect. So quickly now, for you, let me just go straight now. For you to get this project done, I recommend you having a Namecheap account and purchasing your hosting and your domain from Namecheap. Are you getting it? They are the hosting service company that I have tested and they are trusted. The only problem they have is that, and the problem is from the user, they are very strict. Once they suspect anything like copyright, they flag your account, your hosting and your domain is probably gone. So ensure that anything you are doing, you are applying moderation and you are also sticking to their terms and policy in Namecheap. Aside that, their service is top notch. I can rate them number one hosting service that I have ever encountered in my little trek about this and web development of a thing fast probably half a decade right now. So they have been really pleasing me. So quickly, you're going to have an account with Namecheap, and when you've done that, you purchase a hosting, you purchase a domain, you just have to log in again. So me, I'm logging right now. So I'm going to do right now, I'm going to go straight to my cPanel. So I'm being redirected to my cPanel. So possibly at the end of this video, we're going to make another new tutorial on exploring about the project. So let's just dive straight in getting this done. I've made a lot of tutorial video and there have been some errors. So I'm making it again. I don't want to waste much time. You should understand how it takes. Alright, so this project is a project that I've gotten a lot of people million naira deals. There have been a lot of people $1 million deals. So once you are getting to set your eyes on this project, don't let it slide. So these are what you can do. I can be your developer or you are yourself developer. Since this project is out by my own churning, because I've been working on this project and now this project is done, so I'm making it like a public project that anyone can just tap from. So what you're gonna do, you bring clients, you tell the client that okay, oh, we can do this, we can do this, we can do that. And if you can't really do it, just portray that you can do it. When you get the job, you can also contact me, and my contact number is on my channel. You will see it boldly on my channel, like in the introduction of my channel. You're gonna see it right there. So just get client. A lot of people are moving into cryptocurrency trading, investment, NFT, etc, etc, and you're gonna be blessed. I bet you will succeed with this project because it is a top-notch project. So as we can see right here, we're operating on tradings.pngsmedia.com. so that's what I'll be doing right now. So I'll be going straight to my trading.pngsmedia.com right here. And what I'm going to do right here real quick, I'm going to delete everything. So we're going to start it from the scratch. But before that, let me quickly check my trash. Do I still have the okay? It's right here. It's right here. All right. So I'm moving straight here. Since we have it on pngsmedia.com, so I'm going to select all, and I'm going to hit my delete button. So I'm deleting everything permanently from my server. So as you can see, everything is deleted. So we're starting from the scratch. So what I'm going to do right here for you, if you're just starting this project for the first time, you're just buying hosting and domain for the first time, what you're going to be doing is that you'll be operating in your public_html. So anything I'll be doing in this my subdomain, which is trading.pngsmedia.com, just ensure you are doing yours in this public_html, because that is the resource directory of your primary domain. Because when you are buying a hosting and a domain for the first time, both will be connected together, and the domain you are buying with the hosting will be the primary or the main domain of that hosting. So the main domain or the primary domain of your hosting is addressed under your public_html. So it's under your public_html. That is where you'll be doing your own development, as what I'll be doing in my trading.pngsmedia.com. Hopefully you understand what I just said, and yes, you really do. I bet you do. So quickly, now that I'm here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit on my upload button, because I want to upload the files that we'll be using in this project. So as I said, just contact me, you're going to get the file. Yeah, I'll be very fair with you. So I'm going to click on select. So what file am I selecting? So you're going to know where you've saved the file in your computer. So you're going to know where it is. But for me, I already have it in my cPanel, so I'm not going to be uploading it. The purpose I'm not going to uploading it is this. I've done a lot of projects on this on my cPanel, so my cPanel is already running out of space. So I want to be managing my space so that I can do more tutorials on this channel. So hopefully I know where this is. Hopefully I know. Okay, this is it right here. So I'm going to tap it. I'm going to double tap on it, so it start loading from here. As you can see, this is about 100 megabytes, so I'm not going to do that. I will not be uploading this, I'm sorry. So for you, just going to wait until it's complete 100 and it become a green. It shows green. When it's become green, that's when it is completely uploaded. Then you're going to click go back. You're going to click go back. So for me, mine is already in my trash. As you can see, same size, it's 9.40, so it's the same file. There is no guile in it. So what I'm going to do right here, I'm going to copy, I'm going to move this file to my trading.pngsmedia.com. so clicking on it, look at it right here. So I'm going to rename this. It should not be having that extension. It's because, like, hopefully I've studied like twice, so it's renaming the second one as .1. So I'm going to extract this. So I right click, then I click on extract. Yes, I'm extracting it in my main subdomain. I'll click on close. So I can now delete this back again. So hold on, let me just quickly check my trash if I do not still have it there. Okay, so it's not there. It's not there. So I can just delete it temporarily in this case. So I want to delete this, but I'm not deleting permanently, just temporary. So I'm going to enter everything here. I'm going to select all. I want to move them out of that folder. So I don't want my site to be in any folder. I just want it when you browse the site, it should just load up. I don't see that I slash into something, no. So I'm going to click go back. Then that folder, I'm going to delete it. It's useless, just taking my space. My space is expensive to me. So now that we've uploaded it, so what you're going to do, you're going to scroll down here and you're going to see capital database.sql. so this is a structured query language file. This is an SQL, so you just double tap on it, it will automatically download to your computer. So once I double tap on it, as you can see, it has downloaded. So I've done it about 5 times. See, I've done this about 5. So if this is by 5, so the ordinary making it 6. So a lot of downloads have been done. So that's not actually, but so now that we've downloaded that, so next thing we're going to do, we want to check where we can connect our database. So I'm going to click on database. I'm going to click on connect.php. So I'll right click, I'll click on edit, and I'll also click on edit. So from here, so these are the places where I'll be imputing my database credential. So quickly, I'm going to create the database. So heading back to my cPanel, so I'll be right here. Then you scroll down. So scrolling down, I'm going to see my SQL database wizard. So I'm going to click on SQL database wizard. So my database name, I want to name it Fry. So nowadays I don't do things too plenty, just do short simple things I can remember. Fry. Then so it's loading up, let's be patient. So next I'm going to do, also I'm going to tap on Fry. Then my password, I'll just enter the password I can easily remember and that I've mastered. Then here also I'm going to enter the same password. Then I'm going to click on create user. So I will just double tap on this so it will copy. So this is the only one I'm going to copy. I know my password, so I'll click on next step. So my database is done right now. So I'm through creating my database. So next I'm going to do right here is that I'm going to insert those credentials into my connect.php. So I know my user is this, my database name is also this. That is why I create the same thing for both the user and for the database name. So next I'm going to enter my database password, which is O. Yes. So next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to hit on the save button. So yes, I've successfully configured my database. So next I'm going to do now, I'm going to upload my SQL file in my PHP my admin. So for you to do that, you just click on PHP my admin. So it's loading up. So as I said, ensure you subscribe to the channel, because this channel is going to be making a lot of fantastic projects that you're going to ever dream about. So ensure you are tuned, you turn on, you've rotate your station to this channel. Yes, because this channel is going to be having all rotations. Yeah, we'll be ensuring comedy, entertainment, programming, and some kind of like some random knowledge and the rest. So we back on our feet 10 toes, and we gonna ensure you the best. So PNG's Media is gonna ensure you the best. So ensure you partner with us by subscribing to this channel. So now the database we created was what? Database Fry, like Fry, as you can see. So once I click on it, it's going to load up this page, and you can see they say no table found in database. So this database is an empty database because we just created it. The next thing you're going to do, you're going to hit on this import button. You're going to hit on import button at your top bar. Then you're going to click on this browse file. So what file we're browsing? We're browsing this file that you download in your own case, but in my case, this is where I I can locate my file. So either you just double tap on it, then you scroll down and click on go. So our database is loading. It's loading. So import has been successful. Import has been what? Successful. Right? Import has been successful. Alright, so we're heading, we're doing very well. We're doing very well. So I'm just checking if my recording is still on. So sorry about that, because I've done a lot of recording and I'll be having errors in my audio, having errors in my video. So making a tutorial video is really not very easy. Like if you are undergoing challenges, so I only hope for the best. So quickly, let's see. Okay, now our database, our SQL file has been uploaded successful. So the next thing we're going to do right here is that we're going to go back home. So I guess we've configured it. So let's cancel this no longer exists. So now let's try running our site. So we've done the connect.php, that is, we've configured our PHP, we've uploaded our SQL file. So I guess that is all. So next we're going to do, we're going to hit on the browser and type in the domain. So wow, as you can see, our site is well configured and it has loaded up successful. Wow, this is awesome. This is awesome. So let's quickly just see. So our logo is not found. And you can see this have a very beautiful flash notification. As you can see, something flash at this end, which is Lisa from London just withdraw this. So this is a good testimony for convincing. So that's it. So next thing we're going to do, let's quickly hit on the login button. So let's log in as an admin and make up some pretty settings, some pre-setup. So let's set up our site. So yes, our sites, we've logged in as an admin. So we didn't enter the admin and login details, so we're going to log out. So the reason why it automatically load up was this was the domain we used in loading the previous one. So using it again, it remembered and automatically load us in, because a lot of data do store in the cache, of which, you know, if you are a rig tech person, you're going to know some data do store in your cache. Yeah, data. So that is what actually manipulated this. So we're going to log out and log in for the purpose of you to know the email address of the admin and the password of the admin. So the email address of the admin is admin. So let's see, admin, yes, admin@gmail.com. Then your password is 5997733. So I'll give you 5 seconds. 1 2 3 4 5. So copy those things, ensure you've copied those, so I'll click on remember me, then I'll click on log in. So we are logged in. So there's a pretty error that we're having right here. So let me quickly explain the error, then we're going to rectify it right away. So as you can see now, if you look straight at this image is not showing up, and as you can see, this image is too big, so it has extended the header bar. It has extended the header bar, and the header bar now have cut some windows of our user's dashboard. Yes, our user's dashboard. So in this case, we need to readjust this function. But first, let's work on the image. If the image might be the problem, if the image seems to be the problem, then we are not going to do much rectification. But if the image doesn't seem to be the problem, then we're going to fix the image and also fix what else is going to be or seems to be the problem. Is that gotten? So right, you're going to be on your image. On this image, there is your logo image at this top right here. I don't know if my recorder is recording my mouse, but just follow up with the sound of my speech. So just be on this your non-showing logo right here and right click on it. So it will show open image in a new tab. So you click that, open image in a new tab. So let's open that up. So as you can see, 404 error not found. So these resources could not be found on this server. Why? Okay, so let's scroll. So it was in the directory trading.png/images/dashboard. Okay, so if we have it this way, so this is the image name, dashboard.logo.png. so what you're going to do right here, you're going to copy this name because this is what was inserted during the writing up of the PHP script. So we're going to use this same name to create a new logo. So I'm going to copy that, then I'll open my logo design. So you just open any logo design of your choice that uses, and you create a logo and name the logo with the name of the previously non-existing logo. Hopefully you understand the English I just spoke. So for me, I've already created a logo. I'm going to use that logo right away. So as we are right here, so the directory is what under your domain/images. So we'll go straight to our cPanel. Let's say right here, yes, right here. So we click on trading.pngsmedia.com. So it's loading up. So we go to images, as you can see. So it was right here, the logo was, that is where it was uploaded. So we're going to click on upload. So I'll click on select file. So what logo am I going to use? So I want to use a logo. So let me assume I'm going to use this logo, PNG's trading platform. So I will tap one time, tap second time. So it on the text, I will tap on the text. So it's going to prompt that I want to change the text. So I will select all, then I'll click on V, Ctrl V to paste the name of the logo of the previously existing logo name in the site. So that's what you're going to use. So don't use any other thing. If not, you might be still having that difficulty, because that's the name they use in storing the logo that the system recognizes. Unless you want to go back to the main PHP file and re-edit it with any name you might want to work with. So I'll click on open. So my logo is going to load up. Yes, our logo just load up successful. So I'll click on go back home. So since our logo has been successfully updated, so let's just try if this is now recognized. So wow, we just rebrowsed it and it saw our logo. So we're good to go. So quickly just go back home, then also refresh your admin dash your admin end. So wow, so yes, we successfully updated our logo. So as you can see, it's automatically readjusted our header bar, and now we are now having our site well presented. So now what we're going to do right here, as you can see, this admin also has the user dashboard. Now the purpose of this admin having the same user dashboard, so that the admin can understand the user's experience. So in case the user is having any difficulty or encountering any error, the admin can easily relate to the rectification of such error, or to give solution or advice or hint on how the user can go about in a successful moves. So from here, we're going to click right here, come to your menu bar, that is your menu sidebar. Then you click on admin dashboard. So now we are now in the admin's dashboard. Yeah, so next we're going to go straight to the settings. So click on website settings. So these are where you're going to put all your website credentials, the things that's going to make your site more appropriate. So let's quickly do that. So what's our website name? Our website name is what? So you're going to put yours. So this is mine. So what is your website email? So my website email, let me assume I'm using support in this case. So what's your website URL? So you can come right here. You're going to copy your website URL. So I've done that. So I'm going to paste it right here. So yes, so this is right here in our admin email. So what admin email are you using? I still want to use my support. Then so your BTC, your Bitcoin wallet address. So I'm gonna put in my, so you're gonna copy yours and paste it here. You should know that perfectly. Then for your Ethereum also, you you copy and paste. Your USDT, you copy and paste. Then your withdraw pin. So this withdraw pin, this is what the user will be using anytime they wants to withdraw. If they don't get this withdraw pin, they cannot initiate any withdrawal. So what we're gonna do here, you just leave the withdraw pin the way it is, or you can change it if you wishes. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna click on, yes, your Bitcoin QR code. So you're gonna go straight to your wallet address where you have your your wallet address, right? Where you have your QR code. So you're gonna screenshot it or you download it. Once you've done that, then you're gonna upload it the way I'm going to upload mine. So for me, I'm going to use a demo QR code. So let me see. So this was the one I used. So this is for my Bitcoin, this is for my Ethereum. So this is for my Ethereum, and this is also for my USDT. Then your website logo, you're going to upload your website logo. So for mine, it's in my document. So this is mine. So then you click on update. So our site has been updated successfully. So we'll click on OK. So from here we're good to go. It's left for the user to start registering, and we start responding to every of the exercises on our site. So what we're going to do now is so we're going to log out. So before you log out, to switch to your user's dashboard. Once in your user's dashboard, then you click on sign out. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go to where we can create an account. So let's create an account, and let's just do some let's just revolve around the site functionality and see what's up with us. So the name, so my name is this. Then my username, I want to use one of my favorite username. Then my email address, I want to use this. Then my phone number. Then I'm going to select my country. For me, I'm from Nigeria, so I'm a proud Nigerian. I love my country. Hopefully you do same. Then the password I want to enter, let me see. Okay, then I agree and I'm continuing. So I've hit the register button. So success, your registration was successful. Click on your email to verify. So you're going to go straight to where you have your email, and you're going to check for the verification. So my registration just came in, so it came in through the pop-up. So it's going to load up. So this is it. So let's see what we have. Say hi, Ricky Prosper, welcome to our site name. So that was the site name I used. So you're going to copy this verification code, and you hit on the verify button. Then you insert your verification code. You click on verify now. You click on OK. So now let's log in to the account we just newly created. And let's enter password. So we are logged in successfully. So let's just quickly do some things that we ought to do so we can get right started. So as I say, ensure you subscribe to this channel, bring a lot of subscribers. You can create a lot of Gmail accounts and use each to subscribe. Yeah, that is another way you can get that very quick. So as you can see, we have a warning right here in orange color which says complete your account info. So you click here to complete your account info. So what's your account number? So you're going to enter your own account number. So in this case, my account number is this that I'm entering. Your bank name, you're going to enter your bank name. Your Bitcoin wallet address, you're going to enter your Bitcoin wallet address. Your Cash App tag, you're going to enter your Cash App tag. Your account name, you're going to enter your account name. Your Swift code, you're going to enter your Swift code. If you don't have any, you can contact your bank to get you one. So then for your PayPal email, you're going to enter your PayPal email, then update profile. So profile updated successfully. So I guess so that warning has gone. So we've updated our profile successfully. So next thing we're going to do right here is that for we to continue anything, we need to what? Make a deposit. So we're going to click on deposit. So what I said we want to deposit, we want to deposit BTC. So how many BTC? We want to deposit like 10. So we click on make payment. So it prompts us that okay, your order number is, so it has automatically generated a order number, which you can also call the transaction number, and has been placed successful. Send 10 BTC, which was $231,771 to the address below. So this is the address below. So as an admin, this is what we set as our address. Then the user is going to click on copy, and it's going to paste it in his own wallet and make the transfer. Or if they seems that is too long, they can just scan the QR code and make the purchase. So they will click on. So once they've made the payment, they will come back here and click on what? Confirm. So our deposit has been done successfully. So our status right now is what? Pending. So it's left for the admin to what? Accredit it if the transaction was truly done. So we just get a deposit request from the user. So the user also got mail. So any activities you are doing in this project, you always get a mail back. So let's just log in as an admin and let us accredit this user. So we're going to sign out right here, and we're going to enter the admin login. So click on admin dashboard. So we'll go to deposit. Let's go to deposit history. So now deposit history, as you can see, for Ricky Prosper is pending. So the admin checked, okay, the money truly entered. So let's credit this user. So click on approve. Then we'll click on OK. So transaction approved successfully. The admin also can what? So let's go back to the user and make some confirmation that you might want to see. So going back to the user's dashboard, so let's log out. So we're signing out. So what's our email? So this, if you should remember, Okay, so we logged in. So as you can see in our capital account, so our capital account, the money has been credited. So it was a success. So the value of BTC has dropped. It was 10 BTC. So BTC has dropped. So the price has come down to 9.9 BTC. So if the dollar rise again, that is, if BTC rise, that is how it's going up. So this work with the general Coinbase automated Bitcoin status. So what we're going to do now is that as a user, we want to do some pretty things, which are, we want to make transfer, we want to make withdraw, we want to make history packages. So we're going to touch every of the functionality one after the other. So let's click on market. Let's see how our market looks like. So let's see market overview. So let me quickly check if we're not just doing okay. We're doing good. We're doing good. So this is our market overview. So BTC, okay. So that's it. So these are a lot of coins, and there's also some dashboard we have here. So those understand this, understand it more better. So next thing we're gonna do, we've made deposits. So let's go back to the dashboard and let's make some trade. Let's trade. So now in our trade side dashboard, let's click on select account. So what account do you want to trade from? So you can trade from your demo account, you can also trade from your real account. So for me, I want to trade from my real account. So what market do I want to trade in? Do I want to trade in cryptocurrency market or stock market or indices? So that is actually left to whomsoever the user shall be. So other cryptocurrency, what pair do we have? We have USDT to BTC, we have Ethereum, we have USDT to Tron, to Solana, to Litecoin, etc, etc, etc. You should know those names. So let me assume I want to do USDT to Ethereum. So how long do I want to stay in the market? I want to stay for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, anything that happens, either I make loss or I make profit. So the next thing, how much I want to trade? I'm a big guy. Let me just say I want to trade $1,000. So I'm buying within the time in the market. So either Ethereum rise or it drop within 10 minutes of anything that's going to happen to Ethereum. Let me know what's going to happen. Either I make profit or loss. So next thing, the market also. So let's click on select accounts. From real accounts, you can see $1,000 gone. So do I want to let's check from stock. So from stock market, okay, it's loading up. Let's wait till it loads up successful. So let's select our stock again. So from stock market, let's see the pair that we have. So let's see from indices. Okay, probably we'll have some error with our network. It's supposed to show. So let's quickly refresh. Let's refresh. So we are refreshing right now. Let it load successfully. Possibly because we started manipulating it when it has not yet loaded. Okay, So let's click on, let's see stock. So for appear for stock, this is supposed to change. Why is it not changing? Okay, it's changing now. So it could be error anyway. So under our stock, we have for appear, we have Facebook, we have Bing, we have Apple, we have Amazon, we have Microsoft Crop, we have Netflix, we have Micron Technology, we have Media Group, we have Kinopio, we have Tesla, Twitter, Step Bank, Chrome, that is Coinbase, that is yes, crypto coin. So it's just many. We have BOA, Bank of America, we have Shopify, we have Tesla, etc, etc. So that is that. So if you want to trade for that, either their market rise or it fall, so if you want to trade in those, you can trade in those. You can say probably I want to trade in Twitter. There are many minutes down to spend here. I want to spend 10 minutes too. So how much I want to spend in Twitter stock market? Let me say $1,000. So I want to buy that in the next 10 minutes, so I should be having profit. Then let's assume I want to go for indices, so let's wait for it to load. So let's assume we want to trade, so I want to trade in the 3 pairs, then start seeing our profit. So what account I want to trade? For my real account, so I want to trade in indices. So under indices, we have pounds to dollar, this to euro, this da. So as you can see, those currencies, etc, etc. So you can also trade here. You check the time you want to spend and the amount you want to trade. Check on another thing. So come back to funds transfer after this guy start making profit in his trade. Then let's say on withdraw. So let's assume this user want to withdraw. You just got emergency need of money, so you want to withdraw. So he's going to select what want to withdraw. He wants to withdraw from his capital, so you can see his profit and his bonus is still empty. He's going to withdraw from his capital. So what payment method you want to use? So these are what he entered as his contact info earlier that I showed you guys. So he wants to withdraw. Let's assume he wants to withdraw Bitcoin. So how much Bitcoin does he want to withdraw? He wants to withdraw let's say $10,000 worth of BTC. So and I told you earlier on, the withdraw pin is gotten by the admin. When the admin was setting up his site, he got the withdraw pin. So this guy do not have the withdraw pin. He will want to actually open a ticket. He will just come right here and he will open a ticket. So let's see where this guy can open a ticket. Okay, so this guy needs his withdraw pin. So how can he get his withdraw pin? So let's just sign out and let's go straight to the admin and get this guy withdraw pin. So if we're signing out, so we'll come back and make the withdraw again. come back and make the withdrawal. So for here, let's enter his account. So this was his account. So let's log in. Oh, we want to log in as an admin rather. Why do we make that silly mistake? Or should we call it error? Is it a mistake? No, error. Anyone? They are both synonyms. So we're gonna log in as an admin. So we want to send mail. So let's go to admin's dashboard. So we want to open a ticket with the user that the user can reply to. Even from those mail he was receiving, he can actually reply to those mail, and it will drop to the admin. So if we go straight to the website settings, we'll see the withdraw pin. So this is the withdraw pin. We'll copy that, then we'll go to where we have send mail. So once a user just newly registered to your site, that mail you need to send it to them instantly. So they don't need to request for it before they get it, because it is what they are right. But you can just place limit on when they can withdraw. So subject, I will say withdraw pin. So I'll say hi, comma, your withdrawal pin is full stop. Please let no one have access to your withdrawal pin to avoid funds loss. So we're gonna click on send mail. So I'm sending to that user so that I can get his withdrawal pin. So message sent successfully. So we can now go back and log in as the user. So let's log out. So the user just got this message, and we want to open the message. We say okay. So from PNG's trading platform, so say hi. So this is your withdrawal pin. So the user will copy this withdrawal pin and he can reply. So this is a ticket. Are you getting it? As I said earlier on, it's going to open a ticket. So right from when it starts even registering, you can reply, and the admin will be having it in his in their own mail. So going back, so let's log in as the user back again, and let us place for withdraw. So we can see under withdraw, so select balance. He wants to withdraw from his asset balance. What method? Bitcoin. It's loading. What amount he wants to withdraw? $10,000. Then you click on process. So he's going to enter his withdraw pin and you click on submit. So his withdraw is being processed. It will be notified when completed. So right now his withdraw is pending. So let's see package. So these are investment packages. So you can say, okay, I want to buy the diamond plan. So you choose this plan. Do you wish to continue? Okay. So he has purchased that plan from his available balance. So for signal also, you might want to buy a very standard signal that will be showing the real trading platform. You know, some signals. So it's going to copy that, send the money to this wallet address, that which is for the admin. Then you click on done. So once you are sending the money, we click on done. So payment pending, as you can see. Then we also do is KYC. So let's see the KYC section. So click on get started. So it's going to enter all of his name. So his first name, his email, is going to enter his email, gender, his country. So this guy is from Nigeria. Then select his country also. It's also, this guy is from Nigeria. His phone number, he's gonna enter his phone number, his birth year, his birth month. Let's see, his birthday. Then let's click on next. So KYC uploaded successful. So next is going to begin. So his address, his zip code, his apartment number, his city, his state. Click on next. So we're just entering demo. In your case, it will be confirm, legit address. So what does he want to use? So I want to use national ID card. So it's going to upload the front and the back. So in this case, this is his front. In this case, this is his back. So this is just for tutorial purpose. Then you click on upload. So that has been done successfully. So he has done it successfully. So what next that this guy wants to do? So he has done settings. So let's assume this guy should log out. Then let's log in as an admin and start monitoring their trade. So logging in as an admin. So let us see their trading exercise and let's start crediting them for their trading. So I can say, because this guy registered, I want to give him a bonus. So you can create an automated bonus. You can also make it manual. So let's see their profits. So I can say which user do I want to give profit. So let me say I want to give this user profit. So new profit does not have. So for profit and bonus, let's say this guy is trading now. Okay, this is just normal profit. Okay, let's quickly see that trading count. So let's go straight to trading. So let's see whom and whom are trading. So this guy is trading. He's trading $1,000 right now. He's trading 2 because he traded in cryptocurrency and he traded in stock. So let me say this guy, he's trading about $2,000 in platform. So let's assume he has made profit of let's say $465. He has made loss of $300. Okay, let's say this one should be up to $665. He has made loss of $300 and status is winning. Transaction ID, we'll copy this ID, Control C. That the transaction ID. This guy is user ID, so transaction ID is this one. So we're going to copy that and paste it here. We click on update. As you can see, then so I guess this trading session might come to an end in that case. So next thing we're going to do, we want to fund this guy profit. Okay, let's say, okay, for this guy, for registering with us, the profit, we want to give him $100 for registering with us, and bonus, want to give him extra $50 for bonus. Then we're gonna fund this account. So all of this can be done manually from the admin. So the admin will just be here and be ensuring all of that. So the next thing we want to do, so this for the NFT. So this guy purchase plan, let's see. Okay, he wants also withdraw. We remember that he plays for withdraw. So as you can see, he wants to withdraw $10,000. So click on approve. So do you wish to approve it? Yes. Okay, so that has been approved successfully. So going through this, what else can we do here? So you can create packages. So this guy made a diamond package, so he bought a diamond package. So let's approve the diamond package. As you can see, so the admin can be ensuring that the user is making sense. So his package is now active, so he will start making his earn. So let's quickly see some other things. So the admin can also suspend. So you select which person account, this guy account. So you're going to select, okay, want to suspend this guy account, then we'll update it. Then let's see some other things this guy can do. The admin can create an NFT. So let's say the NFT name is what? Ajan Sari. Then NFT amount, let's put in $1,000. The NFT image, so let's use this one for our NFT image. Then description, purchase it now before it becomes too expensive. Then click on create. So that NFT has been created. So if you go to your NFT collection, let's go to NFT collection. So let's go back to admin dashboard. Okay, let's click on our NFT collection again. So it almost want to load up for us to see, so let's check it manually. So going straight to our NFT collection, so this is it, we have it here. Then so let's see some account status. So account, so let's click on which account do we want to create status for. So that is the user we have, so put it on active. You can suspend, you can put it on suspend, you can put it that this user need to contact support, this user need to pay tax payments, This user need trading and loss insurance fee. Account inactive, you can also say if this user has not been active, you can put account inactive. If this user account need to be upgraded, you can put account need to be upgraded. If KYC verification completed. So for this one, I want to put this account should be active, but we suspended it actually though. So this guy account has been updated. So let's quickly go back and see this guy's account. So we want to log out from the admin, then let's log in back as the user. So let's log in. So log into the account. So we actually activated it back again. So let's see something. So in this case, so as you can see in the trading, so this guy has made profit of $100. He won 600, he lost 300. So he's having a diamond package. His status is active. So let's quickly redo the account suspension and unsuspension again. So we're logging out from has been. So let's go back here. So I want to show some pretty things. So from here, let's go straight to funds transfer. If we click on funds transfer, so we can transfer funds from profit to capital or from bonus to capital. So I just want to just quickly see before we put this section to an end. So waiting. So let's quickly okay. So under funds transfer, choose assets. So I want to transfer from profit to capital. So I have $100 in my profit. So I want to transfer $50 to my capital. So I'll click on transfer. So transfer $50 was successful. So I also want to what transfer. So as you can see, this one become 50. So they are doing plus 50 here also. So let's click on, so it's 77 that ended, right? So let's click on funds transfer again. So let's choose our assets. So we want to transfer from, let's assume, which one did we transfer from before? So let's transfer from, let's transfer from profits. So let's remove the last $50 there. So let's click on transfer. So success again. So let's go to our dashboard. So as you can see, it has increased. So we do not have anything less in our profit. So let's quickly log out and log in as an admin again and suspend this account, and let's see what happens when it is being suspended. So let's assume this user started doing some activity. So we're gonna do what we want to suspend this account. So we're gonna do signing out. So let's sign in. So let's quickly go to account suspension. Okay, before then let's go to admin dashboard. So we'll go straight down to suspend slash activate account. So let's see whose account we want to suspend. So click on select account. So this guy account says active, so we want to suspend this account. Click on active update. So this guy account has been suspended. So let's go back to users dashboard. So let's sign out. So it's loading. So loading, keep loading. So don't just worry about network. So we're having a good network today. So signing out right now. So let's sign in as the user, right? So yes, as the user, then click on log in. So it says, sorry, your account has been suspended. Please contact our customer service for more info. So at this junction, we're going to call this section a day. So thank you all for participating in this wonderful tutorial section. I'll see you guys in my next training class. Stay tuned so that you get the next update, and bye bye for now. God bless you all for watching, and ensure you subscribe.